Hey, welcome back to Living in Laguna Beach. Today we have an awesome property for you. We have 959 Oriole Drive here in Laguna Beach. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,250 square feet. Currently listed for $1,795,000. We're gonna go ahead and take an awesome look at this, but first, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Huggins. I am the host of Living Laguna Beach and also a local real estate agent. If you need any help at all, please feel free to reach out to us. The information is down in the description below. The property that we are going to be seeing today is from Chris Tibbett from Compass. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to him as well. Again, his contact information is also down in the description below. Let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and take a walk up. Now this property has had the garage converted into a living space, which we'll show you here in just a couple minutes. But as you can see, when you walk up to the property, here's going to be your view from your front yard. And of course, you've got the gardener in the background. So you got a cool little tree in your living room or in your front yard. And there's the living room. As we walk up, you can see you have the big French door style opening here. That brings us right into the living area. We have a fireplace. We'll get to the backyard here in a moment. To the left, you have your dining room over here. And to the right, we'll go take a look at the 2 bedrooms. And again, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath property, 1,200 plus square feet. Here's bedroom number 1. It's got the bookshelf built in. Feel the nice breeze coming through the open windows here. You can see the big closet. And we take a walk just over here to bedroom number 2. And you can kind of see out the bedroom windows here too. All right, now we will head over to the kitchen and take a look there. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Now this is a shared bathroom. Remember, 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's a shared bathroom. And as we swing back into the living room, it wraps around to the kitchen. And in here you do have your stainless steel appliances. The dishwashers blending in with the cabinets. 4-burner gas stove. The vent hood. And now we will walk into the backyard area. And if you head to the right, you can see that the path comes to an end. You just got your rocks here. And that is where we were in bedroom number 1. We'll head back this way. And this is going to lead us into the garage that has been built out into a living area. As we swing in here, you'll see it's actually being used as an office at this time, but you can convert it into a bedroom. And it does also have your washer and dryer in here as well, as you can see there. There's attic access. I'll show you from back here. Now we get into the most exciting part, and that is going to be our view. This is the wraparound so you can exit the house. But here we're going to take our steps up here. We're going to go all the way up to the top deck. So let's go. We'll take a look at the roof. Roof is in great condition, which is always nice. All right, we're almost there. Feel the burn, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's that breeze. Okay, so up here, this would actually be a great spot for like a barbecue. We'll take a look around. You can see the house there. And you do also have your ocean view from up here, which is nice. As you can see, they have it set up for entertaining. So you can simply come and have a seat here, enjoy a drink and conversation with your friends. And then there's also the setup over here. The outdoor furniture. Take a look